No lie, this tool I'm going to show you in less than 60 seconds gave me 5 actionable ideas to help get more views on my channel. And the tool I'm talking about is AI Coach from vidIQ. I'm on the Boost plan, and because of the Boost plan, I have access to more of the tools. Now, you can use vidIQ for free. There's a link down in the description. For this video, I want to show you, and I'm going to clock it. I'm going to put it on my iPhone timer just to show you. So you want to go to vidIQ, the dashboard, and you're going to go all the way over here. Now, a lot of this may look different based on yours, and you want to go to AI Coach. And you're going to see my chat history right here, which is really kind of cool too. And from what I understand, it's using ChatGPT 4, I think. Here's exactly what I'm going to do. Now, here's the basics. So this is on the free plan. These are some things you might have access to, and they're all great. But I'm going to the advanced. And right here, I'm going to click how to get more views. Now, I've got my timer right here, so I'm going to try and hit start when I hit start here, and I'm going to click go, and oh, go. It's going to be close. There we go. So now you can see already, I love how it greets me, and it's reading information from my channel. So it does need access to your channel for this to work. I mean, this is pretty cool. I'm not going to speed this up. So you're actually going to see in real time what it's giving me. And I'm going to hope I can stop this in time. And it's on number 4. Bang, done, stop. Look at this. Let's go through each point, each tip it gives me, and I'll respond to it. Now again, vidIQ, just like TubeBuddy, will need access to your YouTube channel. It doesn't do anything for you. It doesn't like post on your behalf. It doesn't delete anything. That's a question I get a lot. So it's perfectly safe. It has a Chrome extension that can give you a lot of fast access to it. So you'd have to do that. And then based on, how big your channel is, how many views and all that stuff, your information may vary, but here's what it told me. Hey there, Kevin Colby. Your channel is focused on video creation tips and tricks, which is true. So that's exactly my focus. I do tend to talk more to beginners and people just kind of getting started, but that's cool. Number 1, target audience. Your primary audience is males aged 25 to 34, followed by the 18 to 24 age group. Now, that's true. If I go into my analytics, that's the bulk of my viewers. Now, I don't tend to necessarily target those specific age groups because it's such a wide angle, and it does skew a little bit more male, but again, this is what it's telling me. So then it says, to cater to those interests, create content that addresses video creation like the struggles and the aspirations, other solutions to common problems, and share tips on how to achieve their goals in video creation. So again, based on the things I like to teach and talk about, that's pretty cool. Number 2, video ideas. I love this. Based on your top performing videos, your audience enjoys content about YouTube tools and video editing. Here are some other ideas, like top 5 video editing apps for mobile creators. I don't do that much on mobile, but that's a good idea. How to create engaging thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Mastering YouTube SEO tips for better video ranking. Even if I didn't want to do those specific ones, top video editing apps for free could be another idea. The top 3 video editing apps using AI. So you see how you could use the information. Number 3, engagement. Your video, transcribe any YouTube video to text free and fast. There's a link to that down in the description. Has a high engagement rate, 36 comments, 349 likes. Analyze what made this video successful and apply those elements to a future video. And then it also says encourage viewers to like and comment. So what it's doing is it's saying, hey, here's your most recent, fastest growing video, so maybe dive into a little bit more of that. Upload frequency. Your current upload frequency seems to be working well for your channel. However, you could experiment with uploading more frequently to see if it positively impacts your views and subscriber growth. I'll go through those times where it's like, I may go a week or so and not post. But again, this tip is something to try. So it's not a guarantee, but it's not a bad idea. Video length. I actually thought this one was really cool. Your average view percentage ranges from 25 to 40%. Higher is better. So to improve audience retention, consider creating shorter, more concise videos that deliver value quickly. Keep your audience engaged through captivating visuals and clear structure. There is a disclaimer on this, and if you notice it says, remember the data used in these suggestions is delayed by 72 hours. You know, with anything like this, you got to take it as a grain of salt. But what I love about this and so many other AI tools, they give me ideas that can spark maybe videos and other ideas I just haven't thought about. So there you go. There's the AI coach for vidIQ. Try it if you want. There's a link down in the description. Check out the videos on the screen, and I'll see you next time.